Hi guys, it's AuntDi here and welcome. If you've been following me on my Facebook page or in any of my Facebook groups, you would know that we have some big stuff coming up this summer on this YouTube channel. I am officially starting a playlist, a grouping, whichever you want to call it. And it's going to be, well, it is called Camping with Cricut. I've always been a big camper all my life. Tents, trailers, camping. I like to camp. Anyways, last year when my husband and I took our big trip out west, I thought of the idea, because it was a month without my Cricut. It sort of drove me nuts because there was lots of times I came up with, oh, I'd love to make that, or I want to do that, and I couldn't do it because my Cricut was many days away. So I came up with the idea of, hey, I should do a series of how you can incorporate Cricut with camping or the cottage, or this year in my case, a trailer park. We decided for the very first time to park the trailer and see what we think of it. And so yeah, but the beginning of this is going to be mostly decor, inside, outside, because of the weather. We're not really doing a lot of camping right now. As the season progresses, I'm going to incorporate tips on how to even incorporate Cricut with camping in the first place. And we're going to have, so you can do kids crafts at the campsite, keep those kiddies busy, because we all know they're bored and always bored. So yeah, and stuff that you can do while you're at camp with your Cricut, with sometimes maybe not actually having your Cricut with you. If you tent it, you sort of can't take your Cricut with you at all because you have no hydro, and it definitely wouldn't be safe. But yeah, so I'm really looking forward to this. I'm getting my first video together here, and it is a decor project, but yeah, so please stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you will be notified when each and every one of my videos are released. And like all of my videos, because that really helps too. But anyways, guys, my affiliate links are below, so don't forget to use them whenever you're shopping, because it helps support it so that I can do this channel for you guys. Without your support, there'd be no AuntDi's crafts, and that would be sad. But yeah, we'll see you guys later. Take care. Love ya. Happy crafting.